Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to set up a Freelancer Marketplace where submitting projects are exclusive to site admins using an out-of-the-box solution, the Freelancer Marketplace plugin. Let's jump straight into it. This video is for a case scenario where you want to configure your Freelancer Marketplace platform that only the site admins can able to publish projects that have been carefully checked on the website. So how can we do that? Simple, just go to the backend, Freelancer Marketplace, Settings and Permission. Scroll down to the Project Creation section and uncheck both of these settings, which will restrict other site users to create projects, except the site admins. After that, you can just simply disable the front-end pages that allows project submission for other users. That's it! Now you know how to set up a Freelancer Marketplace where only the admin can submit projects. If you want to learn more, just watch our other videos or visit our website at www.pluginsandsnippets.com. Thank you!